apartment, this one small room in LHK Dublin 7, near the canal.
Okay.
No job. There's 2 digits left in my account.
No way.
2 digits.
My God, two digit. Yun lang ang natitira sa iyo.
After that, pay the bills.
Paano masusuportahan yung sarili mo na?
That's the thing.
Right?
I have to sell newspaper.
Okay.
I thank God with this friend. Papasalamat ako kasi I have a friend from Brazil. Brazilian.
Okay.
They are learning English in that year, and then their side hustle is selling newspaper. So, guys, luckily naman, kagandaan naman nun, may exam siya. So, pwede mong gusto mong i-cover yung paper.
Trabaho.
Oo. Kasi yes. For 3 hours. So, I think it takes 2 days. Kasi yeah. Extra income.
Yeah. At mamayaran mo lang yung dapat bayaran.
Extra income. So, yeah. And I actually put in my Facebook, selling newspaper.
Well, isa yung sa mga yung mga sasabi natin na hindi every time na nasa ibang bansa is kumikita ka ng pera. Nag-i-struggle din yung mga OFW.
It's worst.
Yeah, like selling newspaper in this cold weather. It's worse.
I'm thankful that summer.